Today's What's in the Box look, it is the Honda S660 from the modelers. Now this is going to be a complete Resin kit. It does have some photo etch parts as well. Released last month, December. So let's take a look and see what makes up this kit. So here is the body. And there is has some good amount of weight to it. There's some pieces, but let's see, the has a lot of mass to it. And turning our attention to the interior bucket slash chassis. But over there you can see the end, that is the undercarriage. Not much to it. There you see the 4 screw holes. And there is the top side. And turning our attention to the interior bucket slash chassis. But over there you can see the end, that is the undercarriage. Not much to it. There you see the 4 screw holes. And there is the top side. And here you can see the parts. This is going to be all the Resin vacuum formed parts in the kit. And you can see you have dashboard, your seats, your interior panels, your roof panels, your 4 wheels, your tires. Then you have the interior bits, brake rotors, wipers, headlight, your clear vacuum form pieces down there. Alright, so moving right along, we're going to take a look at the rest of the parts. So first we have a photo etch sheet. Not a whole lot on here. You got brake rotor fronts, some venting, some vents, license plate backing, and some photo etch that I believe you're going to use for lighting. The fact that it's colored in red, been painted over in red. So that is the photo etch sheet. Next we have some decals. First take a look at the decal sheet. Here is the decal sheet. Not a whole lot on it. And then I believe this is going to be a metal transfer sheet, I believe. Or it could be decals. I don't know. 100% sure. Everything's in Japanese, so I don't know. I have to figure out. These are going to go over the wheels. You paint the wheels black and then put this over it. And obviously end up there your Honda emblems. And then out of that same baggie is the chrome mirror faces. And then up next we have the windows. We'll start with the windscreen. Really thin and flexible, I'm guessing vacuum formed. Already got the trim painted for you, so that's a plus. And then an optional side windows here. They have a protective film over it. Yeah, kind of like a green. Even when you pull the film, there's like a green tint to it. But anyways, there's some windows and a package of metal axles and the 4 screws to attach the chassis and the body together. And the instruction sheet. It's actually pretty informative if you read Japanese. Fortunately, I do not yet. One day maybe I would love to learn. Anyway, so this is the instruction sheet. So that is going to be the Honda S660 from the modelers. On that note, thank you for watching. See you next time.